what's up everybody? Hey, Ali Flores here again with OrlandoVacation.com with another video on helping you make your Orlando vacation awesome. What are we going to be talking about today? It's a good question. Everything you need to know about Busch Gardens Tampa Bay. Looking to experience animal encounters and thrill rides while in Tampa? You've come to the right place. This is everything you need to know about the theme park, Busch Gardens. Hey, do me that favor. Hit that bell icon, the subscribe button. Get notified every time we put these awesome videos up, okay? Cool. Busch Gardens is the name of two amusement parks in the United States, both owned by SeaWorld Parks and Entertainment. The original park is in Tampa, Florida. The parks were built to help market Anheuser-Busch products and at first featured hospitality houses, samples of Busch products, and stables for the many Clydesdale horses that the company housed. Eventually, the rides and attractions that you see now were added to the parks and they slowly developed into full amusement parks. Busch Entertainment Corporation, now called SeaWorld Parks and Entertainment, was created to help run the parks in 1959. Busch Gardens Tampa Bay has an African theme and was originally called the Dark Continent. It is the place to be for coasters and thrill seekers alike. You could spend a whole day at the park just riding all of the adrenaline-inducing rides. The roller coasters are more daring than the ones you might find at Disney, and we recommend the park specifically for thrill seekers. The many different rides Busch Gardens Tampa has to offer include Cheetah Hunt, a triple launch roller coaster, Falcon's Fury, a drop tower, and many more. While half of Busch Gardens is all rides, awesome, the other half is dedicated to animals. Aw, awesome. The amusement park is one of America's largest zoological institutions and has more than 2,700 animals. The park also hosts events year-round, including Howl-O-Scream, Christmas Town, Summer Nights, and of course, the beloved food festivals. Busch Gardens Tampa is a little over an hour drive from Orlando, as well as the other theme parks. For a day trip, it is definitely worth visiting during your Orlando vacation. General parking is $30 and preferred parking has seasonal pricing starting at $35. For annual pass holders, there is discounted or free parking depending on the pass tier. For general parking, there is a tram that can take you to and from the park. There's also a sidewalk for those who just want to walk. But for the most convenience, you'll want to park as close as possible to the tram stop. Trust us. When going to the amusement park, you're going to want to pack as lightly as possible. Busch Gardens Tampa doesn't allow bags on most rides, and going back and forth between the rides and the lockers can be a nuisance. If you need to bring a bag, be prepared to rent a locker. The standard locker size is $10 a day, but there are also large and jumbo size lockers for $15 and $20 a day. You're going to want to arrive early as there is a lot to see, and you could easily spend the whole day at Busch Gardens. Park hours also vary per season and day of the week, so make sure to check the park hours before visiting. Florida gets very hot and sunny, especially during the summertime. Go figure. Make sure to bring sunscreen and sunglasses. The park allows guests to bring clear water bottles, so make sure to take advantage of that, as drinks and food can be expensive at the park. You also want to decide what your priority is at the park. If you're there for the rides rather than the animals, then plan your day around that. Make sure to get to the popular rides early in the morning when lines are shorter. If you cannot wait to see the animals, head to those areas of the park first, as many species tend to be more active in the morning. Okay, pro tip, don't miss out on the keeper talks. Oh, they're so good. Throughout the day, the Busch Garden animal keepers will give talks and introduce animals to visitors. These talks are a great way to learn more about the animal, its habitat, and its food. Also, a map can be a useful tool to help you get to all the attractions you want to see, so make sure to grab one at the entrance to the park. If you are planning to visit the park, we highly recommend looking on our website at OrlandoVacation.com for our Busch Gardens Tampa vacation packages with hotels. If you're looking for more tips and tricks for your next Florida vacation or need help planning, be sure to check out our website at OrlandoVacation.com, where we offer the best discounted prices and have a variety of blogs to help you make the most out of your Orlando vacation. Thanks so much for watching. We'll see you next time. Bye, everybody.